Discord is giving out so many orbs right now, and I will tell you how to claim them in just a few seconds. But before that, only 4.5% of you have subscribed. If you want free Nitro news on time, subscribe now. My channel is also reaching 13,000 subscribers soon. Anyway, before we start, enable VPN please, and change the location to the US. And now refresh your Discord page. You should be able to see the quests for the US location. Now start the quest. Once it's started, go to the player option and drag the video frame to the end. This will also complete the quest. Now other quests are exclusively for the phones, so we will skip them and complete another PC quest. You have to take the same steps, just go to the video player and drag the video frame to the end, and voila, the quest is done. And similarly, we have finished all the quests. There were around 5 to 6 quests, and I got around 1400 orbs in total. Now the reason I put infinite orbs in thumbnail is because with my trick, you don't spend time finishing quests all the way through. You can just skip them and get orbs. Look at my orbs right now. It's 59,100. I can literally get Nitro for 5 months with this much orbs. I am sure you can do it too if you start saving up. So yeah, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. We are so close to reaching 13,000 subscribers. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you.